This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8261 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 30 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, spare tire kit, awning, smoke detector, skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8261 BHS is 5,541 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.